This lesson is about how to find an angle that's formed by two secants of a circle. So here's our little picture and our formula. This angle is the angle that's formed when two secants intersect outside the circle. And when they intersect outside the circle, we find this angle A by taking the difference of the two arcs that it intercepts and dividing it by 2 or multiplying it by 1/2. So that's CD minus BE. Half of that is going to be equal to angle A. So here are a couple of examples. If we want to find angle B, it's going to be equal to 1/2 the arcs that are intercepted subtracted, the difference of the two arcs. Always take my biggest arc and subtract my smallest arc. 60 minus 20 is 40, and 1/2 of 40 is 20. So angle B is 20 degrees. In this problem here, notice we don't have the arc, but they give us the angle. But I still want to set it up the same way. I want my angle to be equal to 1/2 the big arc, which I'll call x here, minus the smaller arc. Now it's easier sometimes to take and get rid of this fraction other than distributing it, because then we'd have a 1/2 x. And you can do that if you'd like, but I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of that 1/2. 2 times 30 is 60. And since that's gone, I just have x minus 40 on this side. If I add 40 to both sides, I get x equals 100. So that's what my arc is, and then I can double check. 100 minus 40 is 60, and half of 60 is 30. So that checked out. Now this problem, this arc is a plus 70, this arc is a plus 30, and this arc is a divided by 2. So we're definitely going to have to use algebra for this one. But again, I always start with my angle, and I say it equals 1/2 of the bigger arc, the a plus 70, minus the smaller arc. Well, if I use distributive property, I get a minus a. When I use distributive property on this negative, some people like to put a 1 there, I get a negative a plus 30. We'll just do that real quick so you can see what it is. So now I have a minus a when I combine like terms, which means they cancel, and 70 plus 30. 70 plus 30 is 100. Now I need to take half of 100, which is 50. So I get a divided by 2 equals 50. Well, you know, you can say what divided by 2 equals 50, or you can multiply both sides by 2, and a would equal 100. And that is our lesson on angles formed by two secants.